In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a community you created on Reddit, or at least get it as close as possible to being gone. Reddit has a very specific policy when it comes to communities, and it's important to understand this before you start making changes. Once a subreddit or community is created, Reddit treats it as a permanent shared space. That means there is no true delete button that completely removes the community from the platform. Even if you're the original creator or the only moderator, you can't fully erase it from Reddit's servers. What you can do though is lock it down so no one else can use it, and then walk away from it entirely. Let's start with making your community private, which is the best way to effectively shut it down for everyone else. First, open your subreddit. Make sure you're logged into the account that has moderator permissions for that community. Once you're on your subreddit's main page, look for the option called Mod Tools. This is your moderator control panel where you can manage settings, posts, members, and more. Click into Mod Tools, and from there, find and select General Settings. This is where Reddit stores most of the core configuration options for your community. Within General Settings, look for the section labeled Privacy and Discovery. This is the area that controls who can see and join your community, and how easily it can be found in search or recommendations. In the Privacy and Discovery section, change your community type to private. Setting your subreddit to private means that only approved members can see or participate in it. For everyone else, it will be effectively inaccessible. Before you move on, make sure you scroll down and click Save Changes. If you skip this, Reddit won't apply your new privacy setting, and your community may still be visible. At this point, your subreddit is locked down, but you might also want to completely walk away from it. To do that, go back to the main page of your community. Look for the three dots, usually near the top of the page or next to the name of the subreddit. Click on those three dots to open the menu and then select Leave. This removes you as a member, and if you were the only moderator, effectively abandons the community. Between making the subreddit private and then leaving it, you've done everything possible to delete a community on Reddit under their current rules.